Hello guys, and welcome to a quick introduction for the automated copy trader you might have seen me speaking about. I get a lot of questions and a lot of DMs, so instead of repeating myself every day, I've put together a little slideshow and I'm going to record it on this video so you can refer back to it and hopefully answer any questions that you've got if you're thinking about using this copy trader. So very exciting stuff. But there is a few important key points that I want to go over with you before you consider getting started. First things first, there are no guaranteed returns. So this should be understood before anybody even thinks about using this copy trader. Okay, so I can only show you the past results from what's worked for me and the genuine results from the copy trader so far to today, from when it started to today. And I'll show you the return history document shortly. But there's no fixed weekly or monthly average promise. Like I see a lot of people saying, what's the average monthly return? What can I expect every week or every month? Expect nothing. Like trading is risky and there's no guaranteed income when it comes to trading or copy trading. All we can do is look at the past results and the past data from how this copy trader has performed and make our own educated decision whether we want to give it a go or not. Anybody who's promising you guaranteed returns every day, every week, or every month is selling you a dream and lying to you, to be honest, because there is no guaranteed results when it comes to trading. Although the results from this copy trader have been fantastic, amazing, and that's why I'm so excited to present it to you. I just want to understand, I want you to understand and get it into your mind that it's not guaranteed. Past results do not guarantee future results. So you need to look at the results and make your own mind up based off what we're going to show you. Okay, so how the copy trading works. Let me just move myself here. How the copy trading works. So the idea is simple. Trades are opened by the trader and then they're copied automatically to the connected accounts based on each account's setup. So number one, the trader enters. So the trader places a position from their side instead of you manually taking the setup. So basically, usually you would copy, if you're copying trading signals, they would send a setup, you would go to your account and manually place it. Sometimes you might get a worse entry because by the time you've seen the signal and entered it, you've missed the best entry. So one of the pros to copying the automated trader is it's just done automatically. As soon as he puts the signal out, it automatically mirrors to your account. So if they win, you win. If they lose, you lose. If they break even, both break even. So number one, the trader enters. Number two, the copier mirrors. The connected account receives the copier trade automatically according to the copier settings. Settings matter. So account sizes, timing, broker conditions, risk level, and the stop settings can all affect the outcome. Number four, you need to review over time. What I mean by this is the focus is not every single trade or every single day or even every single week, to be honest. Although we do want to be looking to withdraw profits every week. That's like a nice little goal at the end of the week. Any profits you've earned, withdraw them. That's your money. It's not your money unless you withdraw it, put it in your bank and go and spend it. So the aim is to judge the performance of the copy trader over a longer period of time, because if you look at the previous data, it's only ever gone one way. But if you're joining this copy trader and say, for example, you join today and the trader has a bad day and your account just goes immediately into negative, you might think, this isn't working. Craig did a video showing all these amazing results and now I've entered and I'm in down. Yeah, that's fine. You're going to have bad days and they're going to have bad trades. If that is just trading, they're going to hit a couple of stop losses. What we're looking for is the long-term return history or the future returns from your account. It's going to accumulate over time. It's not going to go up and down. It's going to accumulate. You'll see it on the chart. So past results, low risk copier trader. As you can see, this is the return history from the low risk copy trader. Now, just a quick one. We've got two copy traders, which we can link to. One's a lower risk, one's a medium risk. One just basically takes more trades per day. But the more trades that you take, the more risk you're open to. I can show you the data from both copier traders, and you can make your own mind up whichever one you want to do. Personally, I put £1,000 in both and just let them do their thing, because I'm like building a case study on it. I want to see the results from both of them, because to be honest, the maximum I can lose on this is 30% of my capital anyway, and I'll cover that in a minute. Like, no matter what happens, we set a hard stop loss on our account, 30%. So no matter what happens, I'm happy to lose 30% to potentially gain X amount. Realized return in the last 4 weeks, so the end of April to May. So the end of April to just towards the end of May, so it's about 4 weeks time. This is the low risk copy trader, and the realized return show 16.69%. Cash results from the medium risk copy trader over the same period of time is 65%. So a pretty big increase. Naturally, you might start there towards jumping straight into the medium risk copier. Now, to be honest, why not? If you're willing to risk 30% either way, personally, I'd probably go for the medium risk. But it's not up to me. Everyone's got their own goals in mind. Some people are like, I don't really care about making the quicker money. I'm happy to just make it slower, less risk, and just let it accumulate over time. Other people are like, I want to put £1,000 in, and I would love to make 65% on my money in 4 weeks, because who wouldn't? But to be honest, this is not guaranteed. I can just show you the data, and you can make your own educated decision based off that data. So your hard stop loss, as I was speaking about earlier, So the maximum you can lose should be controlled by the hard stop loss that you set. So if that loss would make you uncomfortable, do not use it. It is as simple as that, guys. I really cannot stress this enough. Personally, I set mine to 30%. So choose a level which you can genuinely accept before you connect anything, and never risk any money that you can't afford to lose. Now, this one is so important because I've noticed a lot of people starting to use the trader inside the group, and a lot of people having some great success. But new people who are coming into the group and starting to use the trader, they'll see a trade and they'll be watching it, and they'll go into drawdown, and then they'll print screen it and send it me and go, is this right? Is this normal? Should it be doing this? Why is my trade losing? Don't look at the trader. Automatically, instinctively, you're going to want to look at it. It's natural. If you're putting the money into the automated copy trader, the whole point is that you just remove all emotions, or you might as well just be taking the trades yourself. If you're going to look at them all day, every day, you might as well be taking them yourself. If you want to manually close them when you see a profit or you see a stop loss, put your money into the account, let the trader do his thing, and check at the end of the week. If you got profit, withdraw it. Check at the end of the month. If you got profit, withdraw it. So, do not watch every trade. There will be winning trades and losing trades. There will be good days and there will be bad days. Set your risk, step back, and just review the bigger picture. Individual outcomes may vary. One trade does not tell you whether the copier is working or failing. Expect ups and downs. Checking constantly can create stress and lead to emotional decisions. This is so important. We're trying to use this copy trader to remove all emotions from the whole trading journey. Like, this is what it is built for. It's so you can put your money in and not worry about it. Let it do its thing. Long term, judge performance over time. So the focus is how the copy trader performs across a longer period of time, not every minute of every day. I hope this is making sense. Member withdrawals. So as you can see here now, I have attached some screenshots from recently of members withdrawing their profits at the end of the week. This is proof that the system works. But yeah, members have started taking the trades. They started withdrawing profits. This is great. I love to see this. I love to see people withdrawing money. That is the whole reason I started this community. It's the whole reason I introduced people to this copy trader. It's because it gives you the chance to potentially withdraw completely hands-free passive income. So another important thing to mention at the end of the week, fees are performance-based. So there's a 30% service fee for using the copier. So it's paid to the copier, the trader, from profits made at the end of the week. It'll only take a 30% fee of any profit you make, which I think is very fair. for a hands-free passive income machine. So step 1, the weekends. Performance is reviewed for the completed week. Step 2, profit checked. The fee only applies to profit made during that period. Step 3, fee paid. 30% of the profit goes directly to the copier trader, right? So question 1, what is the average return? There's no reliable average to promise. The results change with the market conditions, risk settings, and account factors. Question 2, can I lose money? Yes. Trading carries risks. There will be losing trades, bad days, and periods where the account moves against you. Question 3, what stop loss should I use? Set a hard stop loss that you are genuinely comfortable losing. If that number feels too high, don't connect the copier. Don't do it. It is as simple as that. Question 4, should I check all day? Obviously, no. Set the risk, step back, and review calmly instead of reacting emotionally to every single trade. That is what we're trying to avoid with this trader. So, final reminder, risk comes before the results. So losses are a part of trading. We know that. There'll be winning trades, losing trades, good days and bad days. Accept your hard stop loss first. Only use it if you're comfortable with the maximum loss set by your own hard stop loss. Make your own decision. Look at the evidence, understand the risks, and decide whether it fits your personal situation. I hope that this is clear. It's not financial advice, and I'm just hoping that this helps clear up what it actually is this copier is doing, whether it's something you should explore and experiment with, or whether you should avoid it if it doesn't match your current situation. So if you've got any more questions, please log a ticket inside the Discord and one of my team will get back to you as soon as possible. My DMs are flooded and I just wish that I could get back to everyone as soon as I see it, but I just physically can't. I don't have enough time in my hands, but I want to get back to every single one of you eventually. So if you log a ticket, I can get back to you through the ticket system, or one of my team can reply to any urgent questions. But yeah, for now, that is everything that you need to know. And if you've got any more questions, log the ticket. If not, I look forward to seeing your profit results from this copy trader.